Assalamualaikum students. From Dean Cambridge School System, I am Hadi Jilani. Today we are going to learn English and it's our 8th lecture. In this lecture we will learn about G. We will learn about G, the capital form of G and the small form of G. And students, the phonic sound of G is G. The phonic sound of G is G, as in grapes. As in grapes. In this picture, there are grapes. There are grapes. G for grapes. Okay, students? G for grapes. Look at the next picture. It's a goat. It's a goat. G for goat. It's a giraffe. It's a giraffe, students. Okay? G for giraffe. In the next picture, there is a gate. It's a gate. G for gate. Okay, students? Do you know that giraffe is the tallest animal in the world? Okay? Giraffe is the tallest animal in the world. Okay? Practice the both forms of G, the capital form and the small form on your notebook. Okay? We will meet with our next lecture. Allah Hafiz.